Hi everyone, this is Santani from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I just have something different for you. I just want to share my latest digital kit, and it is called Bustling Bees. And the kit is made up of 8 main pages, 3 background pages, and 8 pages of ephemera. So yeah, it's a bit different for me. It's a little bit of muted backgrounds with some vibrant colors in it, and it has bees and sunflowers as the main theme. So this is the first page, and that is one of the main pages. Okay, so yeah, my printer didn't do a very good job. Unfortunately, it needs to be cleaned. So that's the second page. And I've been wanting to do a bee journal for a really long time. So finally it's here. That's the third page. Yes, I hope you all are doing well. And this is the fourth page, and I hope that it's going to get much warmer for you. Here in South Africa, we had a horrendous 32 degrees yesterday in Gauteng. Okay, so this is page number 5. So I'm hoping the lines don't come out, but you know, I had already printed this. So in page number 6, yeah, it was really hot in South Africa yesterday. Well, in Gauteng, I'm not sure about the other provinces. Okay, and that's page number 7. Sure, I actually love this page here. Page number 7. And then page number 8 with a bit of collage work on it. Okay, and then there's the background pages. So that's the first background page, and that's second background page. Sure, I didn't expect that one to come out so nice, to be honest, when printed. And this is the third background page. Okay, yeah, so and now it is pouring. It's been pouring almost the entire day from yesterday evening. Yeah, so here we've got some seed packets with some sayings. Some labels with some words, and then these can be used as pockets, and this is a mini file folder. And 2 types of pockets, your left and your right pockets here, and then your pockets with your notches on it. Okay. And these here I printed with 200 GSM, and then the pages themselves, so the ephemera I printed at 200 GSM, and then the ephemera I printed it, the main pages I printed it on 128 GSM. So your journaling cards, and what's this? Sure, it seems thick. And then some tags with some tickets, and this is just some postcard and just little mini tags that you can put in. Another envelope with a tag and more sayings. And then this is a petal envelope here, your bingo, some tabs over there. I didn't put many tabs because you can actually cut out your own tabs, and then some circles. Okay, so that is the kit, and it is already up in my Etsy store. Sunny Creates. I will leave the link in this video below, and I will also leave the link for my Facebook group where you can join and you can get freebies as well. And I will also leave the link for my Instagram, where sometimes where I don't post videos, I actually post some of my creations. Oh, the other way around. Yeah. And so I am running a special on all my kits at the moment on Etsy. They are all discounted minus 15% or by 15%. And that is going to be running till the end of February for the month of love. So I'm spreading some love. Yes, and I'm going to start with a journal for this as well pretty soon. I'm hoping to finish off my fabulous flowers. Unfortunately, I don't get much time to actually finish it off, but I'm really excited to start this kit over here because it's going to allow me to do some grunge. And I always see such beautiful stuff, but so I'm gonna explore some grunge and let's see how it goes. So that's all from me for today. I will bring you the video for our A to Z ×2 series this weekend. And also I wanted to say, if you haven't yet followed, please do so. Please follow if you would like to see. We are going to tackle letter F today, this weekend. F for fabric. So that's coming up this weekend. We've done A to E already. You can see the YouTube videos, and you can join us on Sunny Creates Junk Journals, the Facebook group, and post all your creations over there. And yeah, all I want to say now is bye bye. Thank you for looking at my kit. Have a fabulous day, and have a blessed day. Happy crafting. Bye bye.